Alright, y'all, how you doing out there? We are in a great state of affairs here on this cave shower thing. Pretty crazy. We got the formwork done to go ahead and pour, and using these single block, half of single blocks, all the way up. We did them in chunks of 4 blocks of 4. We poured them up, then we move up and do another one. And then we went ahead and put this bridge across with 2x4s, and we poured all this. So now we've got, including the block, a complete concrete perimeter around this door frame. The door comes in a pre-hung state, so the whole unit slides in and the door's coming off of that. It's not hinged on into the wall. The whole unit fits in here, and so it's a pre-hung door. I think that's the right kind of term to use. And so we're taking off the forms, which is kind of an exciting part of the day, because we're actually ending up seeing what's going on up here with what we created and stuff. So we have tie wires. We had a drywall screw we used there. There's another one here that I could barely see because it was in the hole of the pegboard. And so when you make these things, you just put little pieces in and you just fill in pockets. On the back there's a little piece of a brick that I stuffed in there, and that's to keep the cement from just pouring out, because we have to do a really creamy mix to get into these blocks, vibrating them as they go, to make sure that we get a full, solid, no bubbles, no voids kind of a situation going on. So we also have this thing, this board we also screwed in. And this is live, but not live. I haven't taken this off yet, so we're seeing how the process actually works. And am I turning it the right way? Yes, okay, I'm turning it the right way. So now this whole board is not connected. And always use the right tool to do stuff. Alright, so there's one board down. Right, so we got our concrete right there. We wanted a nice flat surface, you know, nice and flat, not coming out at an angle or bending back, so the door jamb could fit right in it. If the door was coming, it was hung this way, it'd be great, but I like having it all the way around. On the back side we have the same thing with the 2x4, so it has a flush, nice fit, and it's bigger than the door jamb, and you won't have extra. We also have this nice flat surface, so this is perpendicular to the door frame, so it's a nice, perfectly flat square going all the way around. Now this board has got tie wires. There's one showing up right here and here. And so I'm going to use my, I call it a parrot's beak, and I'm going to move this off the step ladder because I want to step on the step ladder. How about that? All right, so I'm going to walk up a little bit here, trying not to bump my head on things. Push that out and get it. Banging it helps free it up from being stuck to the concrete. You can put diesel oil on wood to get it to break free when you're doing formwork. All you concrete guys know that more than I do. There's also a pegboard over here that I want to kind of get out of our way a little bit, and it's pinched into the, there we go. So I got that out of there. Coming back with another piece of tie wire. We kind of stitch all this stuff together. It's not pretty, but it does get the job done. If I had a claw hammer, see, I'm trying to figure this out and make videos and sort of show you what's going on. We have that to pop this off. It's got overflow of some of the concrete and stuff. Oh, and I see, yeah. So, all right. So you get the idea. This board, I'm going to take a claw hammer and start bashing it and beating it up and getting it so I can pop that board off, and it'll be just a walled concrete. It's not mortar, it's concrete, 4,000 PSI mortar, PSI, pounds per square inch. Yeah, that's what PSI means. Okay, so that'll be there. And then these rebars are going straight up. They'll be bent over and poured solid. So this whole thing is going to be monolithic with this whole giant cave structure. And so it's going to be so cool. I did put plastic on it right here so it won't stick to this board so much. And so that should make getting this board off here no problem at all. So, all right, so that's how we do it. And if I had a hammer, I'd bash and crash. But I don't need to keep going. You guys get the idea. All right, so keep watching. The next video will be awesome. DaveHenderson.podia.com. If you want to get free stuff to learn how we do this, it's free. It's free. Go download it, check it out, learn how we do this stuff. It's awesome. I got courses and all kinds of cool stuff. And we also have books that I wrote that are both digital, where you can actually take your fingers, go zip, and zoom in the pictures on the digital format. I tried to do that on my paperback. It doesn't work. It's really weird. It's like we're so programmed, you know. Oh, the picture, I want to zoom it in. No, Dave, it's paper. It won't zoom. So anyways, digital books, paperback books. And remember, Jesus is coming back. Get him in your heart. You can't get into heaven without being all cleaned up. You're all poopy. You got a poopy butt. You're messy. You need Jesus to clean you up. Put the cloak of his righteousness on you. It's so cool. And you know what? He helps bear your burdens when you're going through life. We're not supposed to bear all these loads by ourselves, people. We're not made to do that. So get Jesus in your heart. He's awesome. And he will bring you right home to the Lord. And he's coming back any day now. Any day now. All right? And I also like to say, lastly, don't forget to be forgiving and grateful. If you're forgiving and grateful every day, you're going to be a better person. You're not going to be obnoxious around your family and friends when you should be kind and grateful and be blessed. Feel blessed, because it can always be worse. With many transplants and being on dialysis, I've had bad days. It's so much better not having stress all by yourself. Give it to God. Okay? He'll take it. All right? I'm rambling on. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a good day no matter what, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.